As promised, I'm going to show you some of the differences of what assignments, discussion, pages, files look like under your Canvas. So I have my Canvas homepage open back up again. This is for my agri-science class. If you look to the left of your screen, it has all these items listed here. The ones that has the eyeball crossed out, that means I have disabled it so that the kids cannot see this, because they'll go immediately to their assignment and go ahead and do it. That's not what I want them to do. So that's the reason why it's disabled. Okay. All right. So the first thing, assignments. What do they look like under Canvas? So I click to the left of my screen where it says assignments. So another way that you can add assignments is clicking on the plus button. While I'm waiting for all my assignments to load up, quickly, they are separated currently by how I have my grade book set up. And I have my grade book set up several different ways. Like discussion would be worth so much. Assignments would be worth so much. Quizzes would be worth so much. My bell warm-ups, and anytime I have some type of objective or term tests, daily assignments, labs, they all have a percentage number. And so if I was using the Canvas grade book, it would take that into account before it uploaded to PowerSchool. So that right there is what's under the assignments page. On the discussion page, will be a list of all the discussions that I will have with the kids, such as my bell warm-up questions. That's what I actually call those. I actually call all those discussion boards questions my bell warm-up question, and that's how they're graded. So while we're waiting for that to appear, it'll also tell you the name of the discussions. Sometimes I put a date on those. If you look to the right of the screen, whether or not it's published or unpublished, you can see some of those titles, what we go over in class. It's a lot of them listed here because we go over a lot in agri-science. So that's what the discussion page looks like. For pages, okay. For pages, it always goes back to my front page. But if you want to see what all the other pages look like that I'll have listed, those are there. I used to think they were in alphabetical order. I think they are. Yeah, they're in alphabetical order. And some of the pages that are listed there, the reason why they all have the same dates because I just copied the Canvas course for agri-science honors class into this course from last year. So that right there's what the pages look like. For files, as I said before, your pages will be located under files. Waiting for that to load. And as you can see, I'm supposed to have broken all these up and put them in there by objective numbers. I haven't done that yet. It'd be a whole lot easier for you guys to do if you did that. Once you start uploading stuff in there, and I would do it objective at a time, go ahead and put that stuff in your files so you'll be able to find it. Okay, because right now, agri-science application, all their stuff is thrown in there together. So maybe before school starts back, I'll have it already placed in there. But you've already seen my modules page, and in my modules page, my class is already done. And the way I set mine up is I set it up by objective numbers and then by the day of the week. And then by the day of the week, it will tell them what they're doing each day. So looking at the icons here, this one means that it is a page. This means that it is a quiz. And of course, if you have the little speaker box, that means it's a discussion topic. I told you that was a page, right? Yeah. It's a page that may have an assignment on it. This is my Kahoot page. I will be explaining later on how I actually got that to work. It's a Kahoot page. It's going to take a minute for it to load. And all the kids would have to do is um, uh, include the game pin, put that in there, and they can automatically play it right there within Canvas. Okay, because I have it set up as self-paced. Okay. And that right there is the differences between assignments, discussion, pages, and files. If you need any more help with that, just let me know if I need to be a little bit more clearer about any of those topics.